Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to the live day trading morning show for option trading beginners. This is Thursday, May the 27th, 2021. I'm not sure if somebody could confirm the quality of the sound before I go and make the opening introduction. So, folks, some type of news on here for today, the 27th. Many of you may know, or if you don't, I can tell you, it has been over a year that I've been doing this. So I have some type of sad news. Yeah, you can guess that. So tomorrow, well, two things. So tomorrow, the plan is, if technical difficulty, because nowadays, trust me, tomorrow is not promised to me, so I definitely need to be talking with that in mind. So tomorrow, Friday, uh, technical difficulties permitting and other things permitting, my plan is to meet from I don't know, from this time, most likely 6 a.m. Pacific, and then go live the entire day, or whenever that I get tired or whatever. But after that, folks, tomorrow is the last live day trading pre-market analysis day. I know, but so for me, I have been missing on developing the website, which ultimately how I started this adventure. COVID made it such that the request of YouTube making video, and then even this live day morning. This has been a great adventure. But tomorrow we are going to do our live day trading and trying to stay as long as possible together. But then after that, no more of, well, at least for the foreseeable future, because I'm going to be using that time to catch up on the website that I have not been creating content for a good year, for a good year. So yeah, so that's the news of the day. So for those who are catching this for the first time, well, sorry that's you came to an end. But I mean, these videos that we have been doing in pre-market on here, right? There are tons of them. You can still learn from them, and I know people who do that. So it's not because I'm not going to be live starting in June anymore in this pre-market analysis that I'm going to stop making content on YouTube. No, I will be making content on YouTube, but that content will not be in the form of getting together in the morning and spending 30 minutes on here. I will still continue making content, but just that this format. So consider this as this show. The channel has not been cancelled, but this show is being cancelled, or has been paused, if you will, because I mean I enjoy doing this. It's just that as of now, really, it's preventing me. I haven't found a balance into doing everything that I want to do. All right, so that's out of the way. And folks, let's make this, let's go out on a bang. So yesterday, if you were with us, congratulations. We featured a trade yesterday here, the gangster trade. That's definitely one of the biggest thing, strategy, if you have been following us on here. I mean, our Discord channel speaks for itself. So yesterday, PDD, all of the strike price that we put there, all of them, they were filled. All of them. That's rarely happens, but I mean, when it happens, it's typically because, let's say, the 115 put, for instance, on PDD yesterday, we got in for 8 cents. And something funny was really happening, because those options of, at some point, the price of the 114 puts and 113 puts was even higher, because, well, at least if you look at the midpoint, right? So I start actually getting taking profit on the 114 and 113 before the 115, which later on really blossomed to over 500% gain. So great trade yesterday. And again, this type of trade is something that, I mean, if you have been watching this show for now and you have not mastered the gangster trade strategy, I don't know. Well, you have until tomorrow at least that I will be pronouncing that word, because after that, that's definitely something that I will just be coaching in one-on-one session for our subscriber. So Joe is, let's say hello to those who I cannot thank enough, because it's the 9 viewers who are here, or 7 or whatever 6 viewers, they are the one for which I make this show. So I cannot thank you guys enough. So let's get together tomorrow for a final time. Hopefully, crossing my fingers, we want to do a live day trading session for Friday expiration the entire day, and then I need to go back to writing content. So we say hello to Mr. Joe, Mr. Andrew, who has been one of the people here for a long while. Glad to have you on board. Beautiful guys, thank you for your support on these morning shows on here, definitely. Mr. Joe is asking, how about Discord or Discord question mark? No, Discord's not going anywhere. I mean, Discord is not going anywhere if that's your question. No. We will continue. Absolutely, we will continue. I mean, we have people who are subscribers to our system, so we rely strictly on Discord. So everything stays the same on Discord. Just this live day trading morning show in the morning that is pausing. It's going away for a while. But I mean, that means that I will have more time now to bring you content on the website, right? Successful Tradings has been started with the blog. The thing is that I need to write most of those articles myself, obviously, because if when I hire writers, typically they can write an article on just say a tool on there, but most of them is difficult to find a writer who will say, for instance, hey, they have experience using flow algo, they have experience maybe using what's the latest one that they sent me here to do a review on. What was that? I don't even. So yeah, this one, market action. These guys, they are like flow algo. They give me a login almost 2 months ago, but I have not had time to actually write a review on that. They decided to send me an invoice the other day. So there's an article called Top 10 Alternative to Flow Algo. They are featured on there, but at the space that they were featured until this past weekend, it was like coming soon. So I guess they get upset. So they get upset and they send me the invoice, though I have not used it a single day. So those are the type of thing that definitely I need to continue providing content for the website. So how will you guys continue to benefit? We have the Discord room, we have the website. Yeah, Successful Trading, folks, it's a free platform where there's plenty of knowledge. Trust me. So no problem about that. All right. Very good. Well, let's leave the sadness. We will have plenty of time tomorrow, hopefully, if we don't have any technical glitch for the sadness. Today, let's try to make money on here, folks. That's the business of at hand, right? How to make money trading options. So the first thing that we typically do, meaning looking at the equities, QQQ, SPY, IWM, and the like, or that's one way. The other way is through this tiny tool here, Finviz, and to use the screener, very easy screener on here with 3 filters. A stock that are optionable, stock that are maybe above $20, but it's not mandatory, right? And then some average daily volume under. So 750K is what I'm filtering today, but we can go to 1 million. I mean, the difference is just you're going to have less stock, but the stock that you're going to end up with here, they are going to be very liquid. Speaking of very liquid, I mean, B1, folks, yeah? This is a trade that is starting on Monday here, yeah? And I guess today is really the big payout there. Yesterday, it was like it showed momentum. It showed strong momentum compared to before. But remember what I said, right? Go watch yesterday's video. That's what I'm telling you. It's not because I'm not going to be making video each and every day is here for the pre-market analysis. That the all videos they are there. You can learn from them. Yesterday, I think I made a statement on that video about the potential target price for this week for Beyond. Well, Beyond is up 6% this morning at $134. Congratulations. For us, our AI system alerted us last Thursday. So from Friday, we were ready to trade that. How do we know that? Because the strike price on the successful trade alerts was $118. So imagine the price of $118 when the stock is at 134. Actually, that's a trick. That's a little trick here. You just to find the price of an option like this, or an approximate price, subtract the current price minus the when it's in the money, minus your strike price. So 134 minus 118. That gives you about a good 20 no 16 dollars, yeah, $16, yeah. So meaning they are going to double, yeah, because yesterday they were about $8 or so. How do I know? Our watch list inside of we have a watch list of option where the price is displayed on there. So congratulations for everybody who was able to trade beyond. This is the type of thing that we do on here. So what else is moving this morning? X is moving. For those who are new here or who know, X is a stock that's is part of our famous Friday no wahala. So it's never too soon, right? On Thursday to start trading that. So I know somebody who made money on BA this past week. I believe it was on the put side. Now BA, it's just surprised me because BA I've been like. If it doesn't alert, rarely do I get to see BA. So BA has been bullish, gapping up on there as you can see. So those are stocks that are moving, and Riot obviously. Riot Mara with blockchain, cryptocurrency rather. They are always very volatile stock that we see in pre-markets. What else is moving here in pre-markets? On the bearish side, there's this stock called Okta. I looked at the option chain earlier when I was studying. I don't see lots of open interest, so that's something that I shy away from. Workday is another one. It's in our, I believe Workday, it's in our trade alerts. So it's only plus minus 1%. But if I see it move, definitely I will trade accordingly. So this morning, what do we want to trade this morning? This morning, I definitely think what I see on here, couple of stock that's for us, we trade consistently here as part of that Wahala trade. FCX is moving and X is moving, so definitely that's a place to be making money. A stock that had earning yesterday, I'm not seeing it here just because I mean there are so many stock that are moving a little bit. So let's bring the stock that we picked for Ganser trade here for today. This is Nvidia. Yeah, Nvidia had earning yesterday. Somebody, I believe, a trader yesterday asked her, hey, what was my opinion on Nvidia? And I quite frankly say, I never had any type of opinion on these stocks, right? If a stock's going to be having earning, I know that especially a stock like Nvidia, which we are very familiar with, it's part of our basket of stocks that we have studied on here. Meaning it's an immediate candidate for Ganser trade. So in pre-market, is it gapping down? I'm not sure. Yesterday it did a lot of yo-yoing, meaning it couldn't find a stable price after its earning. So let's say Nvidia, yeah, it's starting flat. So for us, we put a Ganser trade on there. So earlier today, so this is the Ganser trade, folks. Again, that's with all continue, right? That's not affected by the fact that we are not going to be doing live broadcast pre-market analysis at least for a bit here. So Nvidia, if I could type, yeah, I always have to go back and check. So it did message. So yeah, I wrote Nvidia Amy. Well, I meant by May 28th. Yeah, so I don't know if people put also that May 28th. So on the call side, we are targeting the 670, 675 calls. If we can steal them for between 10 and 15 cents, that would be fantastic. And then on the put side, 585, 590 put for 10, 15 cents. So those are the two strike price for the Ganser trade on Nvidia. But I mean, the market is moving this week, obviously today more particularly. We knew that this is something that we have studied on here and we have shared with you that, hey, the fourth week of the month, meaning the week following monthly option expiration, market makers, they make it a point to frustrate traders the week of option expiration, because the open interest, there's more money at stake, right? And then the week after, we usually see higher movement on stock. So this week, a stock like B1 is an example of that. A stock like Peloton, that's another stock that's has been moving. Let's actually bring the chart of Peloton on here. So we saw Nvidia. If you're just catching it now, so Nvidia, there is a Ganser trade on that. So here's Peloton. All right, so now Peloton has rallied since I mean, it wasn't a straightforward rally, right? Since May the 6th, let me make sure that we can see this. Since May the 6th, from May the 6th, posting higher highs, crossing above the exponential moving averages, and then to be honest, actually last week we know it was part of that frustrating of traders. But look at the ATR yesterday. Yeah, yesterday from 99 to 110. That's one of the biggest one in this run. Now it's finding itself on the upper Bollinger Band. Uh, that's always interesting because a stock with strength, with great strength, will continue past the upper Bollinger Band here on this daily chart. So that those are 108.06. The stock yesterday printed 110 and just closed shy below that at 109.56. So it's interesting here to see if this stock will be running. But definitely the momentum of for this week has to go to B1 Meets, which we featured, we told you all about in yesterday and the day before yesterday video. So that's on there. This morning we are targeting Nvidia, we are targeting FCX. FCX, the Friday Wahalas, they didn't give us the usual efficiency last week, so it's overdue. Look at the chart of FCX on here. This has been a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of consolidation on here. So plenty of room if they want to make this wrong. So $43, $44 strike price is definitely in consideration. Today being Thursday, I don't know how early. I'm just gonna put the trade, the Friday no wahala trade, there. But hey, if we start the day here trading it as it's gapping up, guess what? We will already have at least one part of the Friday wahala trade in place. So that's there for FCX. And how about X? Let's look at the chart of X. Oh my goodness, do you notice something? The pattern, not quite the same, but the pattern of X and FCX are about the same. So exactly 6 days of consolidation, just going sideways, and then this morning, BIM. That's the phrase that the hip people, they use, BIM. Just a burst and a gap. I mean, yesterday, at the end of yesterday, you can call that a bullish engulf. That's that's a pattern, that's a bullish pattern. So, but it wasn't quite a full bullish engulf of the previous candle. But you get the idea. It's gapping on here. So both FCX and X, they are bullish, and for us, they will serve into tomorrow. No wahala trade. All right. Okay, folks. Well, it is currently 9:18. I think those are the main highlights. Obviously, for at least for us, there are plenty of opportunities out there, right? The GME, AMC, they have been moving, but for me at least, I find it difficult to trade way out of the money contract on a stock like GME to get some profit. That's just though, because of the implied volatility is gigantic on them. I'm confused about actually if the trend turned bearish, because then you can get better strike price on the put side. But I mean, let's see. Maybe I'll scalp trade tomorrow, because there's always opportunity on AMC and GME to scalp them. So until then, folks, so tomorrow is our last live day trading morning show. Hopefully it will not be emotional. It has been a full year, folks, so we enjoy the ride with you here in the morning. Everything else stays the same, folks. We still have Successful Trading, the website. We still have the Discord room. So if you are inclined to learn how to make money trading option, go ahead on Successful Tradings and give us a shot. We will continue coaching one-on-one as we have been doing. Thank you, everybody, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.